Hi guys, today is my last day of university. Oh my gosh, no it's not. It's my first day of university. I still have an entire semester. But yeah, I'm a senior at the University of Texas at Austin, and today is Wednesday, January 19th, so my semester officially starts today. School started yesterday, Tuesday, but I didn't have class, so today's my first day and I'm really excited. I just wanted to like vlog the day because I haven't vlogged in forever. And yeah, I thought today would be a good day to start. So honestly, to start off my day, I just couldn't figure out what I had to do today, so I'm looking at my Google Calendar. I want to look at my schedule again. So I have my 9:30 class, and then I have a 2 o'clock and then a 3:30 class. And then I also look at my Notion because that's the second thing I use to organize and kind of look at my task, like the things that I have to do. So I use like Google Calendar for scheduling, like scheduling all my stuff, like appointments, time, just like time blocking my day. And then I use Notion more for just like planning things, like fleshing out ideas, as well as like using it for to-do lists. And I also write down like physical to-do lists, but those are like my online things that I use.
Trying to find my way back to you. Trying to find my way back to you. Trying to find my way back to you.
So fly like angels, most high, the praises go high, we praise him. So fly like flies.
I'm already late for my class, so let me log into that real
My
quick.
feelings contorted, I am so sure that I am your boy and here in your voice ignoring the lies for you. I will fight cause this is a war. I load and start busting cause I am in love with thee. When I'm feeling down, you're the best company. And even when I'm going back, you are in front of me. Always straight loving me. Even though I might be losing, you're in love with me. Somehow you never.
That was a painful experience. So now I have a little bit of a break. Well, yeah, I had a lot of a break. So I don't have class until 2. Me and my roommates are gonna go take pictures. So I need to get ready for that. I'll probably eat again, and then also just like do some things that I have to do.
Done with me. Even when I'm done with me, somehow you keep loving me in my walk.
Trying to find my way back to you. 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 All that I become, I'm glad you see.
Coffee, that's fine. I didn't say coffee, but the only coffee in person, which
take my hand. I'm
the
on
only coffee in person, which I know for the cons.
understand.
But I'm just happy they're not all online.
Oh my gosh, I feel like it gets, every time I press record, it gets way dimmer. I guess I'll just have to see what that looks like after, like once I start editing it. But hopefully I don't look, like the lighting looks fine, but this is what I look like. We're gonna go take some pictures now. Hey guys, so I'm very hungry right now, but the way my pants are situated, I'm not allowed to eat right now. We're gonna go take our pictures and then I'll be blessed with the meal. Look. We realized we're too old to take pictures by the tower and didn't think this through. So we're still taking pictures and I'm in my Zoom class enjoying lecture, but not really enjoying, but it's the first day, so does it really count? I don't think so. Not at all. I just finished my last class of the day, which is nice. I thought we were gonna end early, but we ended just on time. We're still on campus, we're at the Union. And since I finished class, I'm watching a YouTube video right now. And Julia is still taking her lovely, blessed class. And so I guess, well, when we're tired of this place, we're just gonna head back to the apartment. We're now back at home. We just got back and I'm gonna make myself something to eat because I didn't pack a lunch when we went because I didn't think we'd be gone at the house for so long. So now I'm gonna eat my lunch / pre-dinner and yes, and nourish my body. And probably just relax a little bit, not do work until a little bit later. I don't have that much to do considering school just started. So yeah, that's what I use. So yeah, I use it. I
want to use it, but I haven't spent enough time like messing with it to where it's like sustainable.
Exactly, like that's what I like last year. Like I really had to navigate what I can use it for because before, like, let me show you what I want to. Why can't I see it? So like before, like, so this is fall 2021. Yeah, so like I did this during online school too. So I would have like I literally had my schedule down here, and then like I had a master assignment schedule, and I had every assignment that I had for the semester here organized to like what kind of thing it is, like the assignment itself. And like the thing is, like I would go, like I didn't finish checking all the assignments, but I did all the assignments because like I also use Google Calendar, and I like honestly I prefer that still, so I could see it every day. Like this, you have to be really intentional about checking if you already have another system. And I didn't want to just cut out Google Calendar. Like I like the notifications. This doesn't send you notifications. It doesn't. You have to check it every day. And like I already checked this. Like I don't want to be like, it was just hard for me. And then also like in like, so I put like whatever I had for the class. Like I had like within the course thing, I would put like whatever like topics, or let me go to one like that required more reading. So like I had in the week like the readings that I had for that week. I didn't like it, just I really wanted it to work, but I was like, that's what, like this is not for you. Like, so like what I decided to do for this semester is like, so I have my Google Calendar linked, and then like, I'll have my to-do list for each class like here. Like now I realize like Notion for me is just better for planning and like planning, like thinking thoughts out instead of like trying to do scheduling like Google Calendar and like dates and stuff. This is more for like planning and to-do list is what I like it for. Like that's why I can do my meals. Like I have all my meals here. I have my grocery list here. Things like it helps me like plan things out like with social. Like huge improvement.
Nothing. Happy to be here.